on to exercise 16.1, question number 1. A coin is tossed 3 times. ஒரு coin 3 தடவை toss பண்ணா sample space எப்படி இருக்கும்? You can get head, head and head. 3 coinலயும் you can get a head. What is the other possibility? First head முடிச்சிடலாம். So when you get head in the first coin, you get head and tail in the last coin. So இப்போ last coin change பண்ணியாச்சு. Now head வருது. Second time you get a tail and third time you get a hedge. No change. Okay. Then you get a tail and in the second case again you get a tail. So basically head first take la varudhu, second take la you get head, head, tail, tail. Third time you get head, tail, head, tail. This is how you remember. Okay. First time you toss a coin you get a head. We'll finish the first tosses to be head. Ipo next first time you get a tail. What are the possibilities? You can get 3 tails in 3 different tosses. Or first T varla, next you can get a T, next you can get a H. You always change the ones place. Remember it as the ones place and tens place. So ones place la HT, HT. Tens place la you get HH, TT. So basically HH, HT, TH, TT. This is we 2 coins ku paathom. So you include the third coin in the hundreds place. Okay. So TTT, TTH and you have THT, which means in the second time it changes and then you have THH. Okay. So basically you have HH, HT, TH, TT. Okay. So this is your sample space. How many elements do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 elements. Meaning in one coin you have head and tail. So how many irukku? You have 2. It is either head or tail. So you have 3 coins. So it is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 to the power 3, which is 8. So you get 8 elements. Okay. When you have one coin, head and tail, so you have 2. Head irukku, tail irukku. When you have 3 coins, head, tail and head, tail. So how many possible elements do you have? 2 to the power 3, which is 8. Okay. Question number 2. A die is thrown 2 times. Gali. So what is your sample space? First 1 vandaduna, you can get a 1, 2, 3 and so on until 1, 6. 2 vandaduna, 2, 1, 2, 2 and so on until 2, 6. Then 3, 1 and so on 3, 6. 4, 1 so on 4, 6. 5, 1 and so on 5, 6. Last line la 6, 1 and so on until 6, 6. So how many elements do you have? 36 elements. We just saw it in the example question. You have 36 elements. So dice la ethana irukku? In a die you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which means how many do you have? You have 6. So you have either 1 die. 2 dice la evlo irukum? We just saw. If you have 3 coins, 2 to the power 3. If you have 2 dice, 6 to the power 2, which is 36. So you get 36 elements. Okay. Question number 3. A coin is tossed 4 times. 4 times na enna varum? 1 coin, you have head, tail, so 2. So when you have 4 coins, 2 to the power 4, which is 16. Okay. So what will be my sample space? First I'll have HH, HH. Ones place amathana, I have HH, HT. Okay. Now tens place amatha poren. Tens place na enna? It is my 1, 2, 3 third outcome. It is just easy to explain. So tens place la mathna enna agum? HH will remain the same. I'm going to change H to T. In the H abdi irukum. Adhe mari indha edathila HH, T, T. Okay. Now I changed my tens place. Now hundreds place change pannalam. So I have H, T, T, H. Here I have H, T, T, T. Okay. Now after I changed my hundreds place, now marubiyum I'll come back to my tens place. So enna agum? H, T, H, H, comma, H, T, H, T. Okay. I changed my ones place, tens place, hundreds place. I see that there is one more option. So in the இடத்துல tens place change பண்ணலாம். இப்போ thousands place change பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? I'll get a T. T, 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 T. எல்லா பிளேஸையும் change பண்ணிட்டேன். So I have T, 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 T. Okay? So this is one outcome. இப்போ இங்க head முடிஞ்சுது. My first outcome as a head is over. My first outcome as a tail. So இந்த இடத்துல ones place மாத்தினா I'll have T, 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 H. Okay, ones place over. Now I'll change my tens place. So I have T, T, H, T, comma T, T, H, H. Now I'll change my hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. So I have T, H, H, T. மிச்சதெல்லாம் அப்படியே இருக்கு. Comma T, H, H, H. Okay. Now again I'll change my tens place. T, H, T, T, comma T, H, T, H. So this is my sample space. Okay. I hope it is easier method to write the sample space. I hope it's easier for you. Okay, இப்படி தான் எழுதுவேன். நான் இப்படி தான் எழுதுவேன். So maybe this helps you. Okay. Question number 4. A coin is tossed and a die is thrown. So H, T இருக்கு. Die போச்சுனா 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So sample space எப்படி இருக்கும்? If it's a H, you can get one of these. So I have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Coin if you toss and you get a head, and if you throw a die போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் you can either get 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 or 6. Okay? So head போட்டா இதெல்லாம் options. அதே மாதிரி tail போட்டா tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail number 4 on the die, tail number 5 on the die, tail number 6 on the die. So this is your sample space. Okay? So how many elements do you have? 6 2s are 12. So 12 elements. Okay? Question number 5. A coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case a head is shown. So என்னலாம் இருக்கு? Head இருக்கு, tail இருக்கு. ஆனா head வந்தா மட்டும் தான் you toss a die. You toss a die only when you get a head. Tail வந்தா you don't toss a die. Okay? So what will be your sample space? For tail, there's nothing. When you get a tail, you do nothing. When you get a head, you toss coins. So head toss பண்ணா you roll a die, you can get 1. Head வந்ததுனா you roll a die, you can get 2. If you get a head, if you roll the die, you can get a 3. Head 4, head 5, head 6. So this is your sample space. So you have 7 elements.